Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD model and interface so you choose the right tools, check capacity and firmware status. Once identified, back up everything you need to keep, because secure erase is destructive. Make sure the system has stable power and minimize background programs to avoid interruptions. If using a laptop, plug into AC. If desktop, keep case open only if safe. Now prepare the OS utilities or vendor tools you'll use next and download firmware or secure erase software. You should boot into the vendor utility or a trusted bootable environment and select the SSD. This avoids the OS issuing write caching. For SATA drives, use ATA Secure Erase, which triggers controller-level erase. For NVMe, use the NVMe format or sanitize command. Make sure trim is enabled afterward. That helps maintain performance. If sensitive data demands, consider multiple secure erase passes or crypto erase where supported. Once started, do not power off until the tool reports completion. After the secure erase completes, you verify success by checking smart attributes and running a full sector scan to ensure data is gone and blocks are healthy. If all looks good, reinitialize partition table, format with your chosen file system, and proceed to reinstall the OS or restore data. If you encounter errors or the drive reports persistent bad sectors, make sure firmware is current. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer for diagnostics or RMA. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the tool fails, try a vendor utility from a bootable USB.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.